Good morning all. Well, Storm Ashley is expected to sweep across the country today. It is going to bring a spell of very wet and extremely windy weather with gales or severe gales, particularly on exposed north and west facing coasts. And it has the potential to cause some localised coastal flooding and some other disruption. All the details from me throughout the programme.
Louise can tell us, and from the image behind you, Louise, looks like it's going to be fairly blustery here as well.
It's all about Storm Ashley today. It's going to dominate the weather story. A lot to dissect with the weather just through today, let alone the week ahead. But it's all about the wind strengths. We are likely to see severe gales, and that is going to potentially cause some disruption, localised flooding and even some power outages. At the moment, the wind's not too bad, but we are starting to see some stronger gusts in Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, 55, 60 mile an hour at the moment. And that's because the storm is still out in the Atlantic. Now, it's undergone some pretty rapid strengthening, deepening over the last 12 hours. You might have heard the term weather bomb. Well, this is what's happening. It's this area of low pressure, and it's technically, it's called explosive cyclogenesis, and actually weather bomb comes from America. But it's to the southern flank of this low is where we'll see the strongest of the winds as the low moves its way across the country. And that's going to arrive later on today in terms of the wind strengths and through this evening. But at the moment, we've got the rain around, as you can see, starting to push in from the west. Now, that rain is going to push its way really quickly eastwards, obviously due to the strength of the wind. So a spell of very heavy rain moving its way from west to east, but quite a clearance behind. So into the afternoon, there will be some sunshine. Now, as the low starts to tuck into the northwest of Scotland, that's when the winds will really start to strengthen. Windy generally out to the west, a real rash of showers tucking in close to that low into Northern Ireland and Scotland. So widespread gusts of winds 50, 60 miles an hour, but it's into the far northwest here where we could see 70, close to 80 mile an hour gusts of winds. We've had a full moon earlier on in the week, and we've got rough seas and the potential for some coastal flooding. So the Met Office have issued an amber warning, and there could be some power outages as well. So potential for some disruption from this storm. And as it continues to shift its way steadily north and east through the night, the winds will gradually ease down. Still gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour in Scotland overnight. Clearer skies elsewhere. Temperatures down into single figures in some rural spots, and into tomorrow it's a much quieter story. So the low pressure storm Ashley starts to pull away. The winds will start to slowly ease down. This little frontal system down in the southeast might just bring certainly more cloud and maybe some rain along that Kent coast, but generally Monday will be a quieter day. Still some showers in the far north and west, but Storm Ashley will have cleared away by then. And in terms of the feel of the weather, we're looking at highs of 11 to 16 degrees. Now, it's likely that we will continue to see a quieter theme of weather from Monday onwards. I am very pleased to say, because there is a lot to get through today's forecast.
Oh, thanks, Louise. So it seems like today is going to be quite feisty, but it'll be over quite quickly.
Yep.
Thank you.
OK, lovely. We'll see you.